Hello, welcome to my channel Woodwork Techniques. I hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn about wood and its type. So start it without any delay. Types of wood. 1. Natural or solid wood. 2. Engineer wood, natural wood. Wood that comes directly from trees known as natural wood. Here, you can see how natural wood comes. Trees are cutting with the help of chainsaw and converted into lumber. Types of natural wood. 1. Softwood. 2. Hardwood.
1. Softwood. Softwood is wood from gymnosperm trees. This is light in weight. Bonding between wood fiber is less strong. Density is less compared to hardwood. We can scratch it easily with our nails. These woods are light in color. Example: pine, fir, larch, cedar, etc. 2. Hardwood. Wood that is obtained from angiosperms trees. This wood is heavy and it grows slowly. Bonding between wood fiber is very strong. Density is more compared to softwood. This is rough in color. Doing scratch on it is difficult with our nails. Example: teak, beech, oak, etc.
Engineer wood. When wood particles and dust, mixed with chemical and go through a process and convert into sheet form known as engineer wood or man-made wood. Here, you can see how this process works. Types of engineering wood. 1. MDF. 2. Particles board or chipboard. 3. Block board or plyboard. 4. Plywood. MDF. When wood fibers, mixed with resin and binders, at high temperature and pressure, and convert into boards. Particle board and chipboard. When wooden chips are mixed with suitable chemical and pressed at high temperature and pressure and convert into sheets. Block board or plyboard. When wooden strips bind with wood veneer on its both side and press on high temperature and pressure. Plywood. When wood veneer pasted on each other at high temperature and pressure and convert into board of specific thickness. Type of engineer wood on basis of laminate paste. 1. OSL. When laminate or veneer is pasted on only one side of the raw board known as one-side laminated board. 2. BSL. When laminate or veneer is pasted on both side of raw board known as both-side laminated board.
Please find out nuts in description box.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.